Sa ibang balita, wala pa ring napapaulat na Pilipinong nasawi o nasugatan sa lindol na yumanig sa Iran, Pakistan, Dubai at India. Kinumpirma ito ni DFA spokesman Raul Hernandez base sa report ng Embahada ng Pilipinas sa mga nasabing bansa. Gayunman, sinabi ni Hernandez na mananatiling nakamonitor ang pamahalaan sa mga pangyayari doon. Sa ngayon, umaabot na sa 40 katao ang kumpirmadong patay sa Iran. Umaasa ang DFA na magpapatuloy ang report na walang Pinoy na nadamay sa naturang lindol.
There were no reported Filipino casualties in the earthquake with a magnitude of 7.8 in southeastern Iran. And our embassy in Tehran was also able to talk to a Filipina who was about 600 kilometers away from the epicenter. And she said that his family was okay and no one was hurt.